Have you ever pressed the accelerator in your Audi and felt a small delay? Not a massive lag, not turbo failure, just that subtle hesitation. What if I told you that most modern Audi models are electronically programmed to soften throttle response, not to reduce power, but to smooth emissions, protect drivetrain components, and improve comfort? And that means your Audi might be capable of feeling much sharper than it currently does. Today we're talking about 3 hidden adjustments that can completely transform how your Audi feels, without adding horsepower. Because real performance is response. 1. Drive Select configuration. Most Audi models with Drive Select allow you to customize engine and transmission behavior, steering weight and suspension if equipped. But here's what many owners do wrong. They leave it in auto. Auto mode constantly adapts to your driving, which sounds good, but it often softens throttle mapping. Switch to dynamic mode, or individual, then engine and transmission, then dynamic. This alone can reduce throttle filtering, hold gears longer, and improve immediate response. The engine hasn't gained power, but it feels faster. 2. Transmission adaptation reset. If you drive calmly most of the time, your Audi's transmission control unit adapts to that. It learns soft shifting, earlier upshifts, lower aggression. Over time, the car becomes lazy. A proper adaptation reset, done safely via a diagnostic tool, can restore factory behavior. And suddenly, shifts become firmer, downshifts more immediate, throttle feels more direct. No tune, no hardware, just recalibration. If you want your Audi to feel sharper without wasting money on random performance parts, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to keep testing real Audi-based improvements instead of generic advice. In Part 2, we'll go deeper into throttle calibration and airflow optimization. Your Audi has more potential than you think. See you in the next one. In Part 1, we talked about Drive Select and transmission adaptation. Now we move into something most Audi owners completely overlook: airflow efficiency and throttle calibration. Because your Audi does not just respond to your foot, it responds to sensors. And if those sensors are slightly off, dirty, or adapted poorly, the engine will not deliver power instantly, even if everything looks fine. Let's break this down. 1. Throttle body adaptation. Modern Audi engines, especially 2.0 TFSI and 3.0 TFSI, use electronic throttle control. There is no direct cable. Everything is mapped and calibrated. Over time, carbon buildup, battery disconnections, driving habits, and software updates can affect throttle adaptation values. When adaptation drifts slightly, you may feel slower pedal response, inconsistent acceleration, and hesitation from low RPM. A proper throttle body adaptation reset, done via VCDS or a proper diagnostic tool, recalibrates the throttle plate. Result: sharper pedal input, smoother torque delivery, and faster low RPM reaction. Again, no horsepower added, but the car feels alive. 2. MAF sensor condition. Your mass airflow sensor tells the ECU how much air enters the engine. If it is slightly dirty or reading inaccurately, the ECU reduces calculated load, which means less aggressive throttle, less boost target, softer torque curve. And here's the key: you will not always get a check engine light. The car just feels slightly weaker. Careful cleaning with proper MAF cleaner can restore accuracy. Important: only use dedicated electronic safe cleaner. Never touch the sensor wire. Clean airflow equals precise fueling. 3. AIR filter restriction. Many Audi owners ignore air filter condition. A partially clogged filter increases intake restriction. It raises turbo effort, slows spool, and reduces immediate response, especially in turbocharged Audi engines. Switching to a high-quality OEM replacement or a high-flow performance panel filter can slightly improve breathing efficiency. Not massive power gains, but improved response under load. If you're realizing that your Audi might not be slow, just poorly optimized, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps us continue producing deep Audi-only technical content without brand distractions. In Part 3, we go even deeper: hidden torque management. Why some Audi models feel artificially limited. and what you can safely adjust and what you should never touch. Your Audi has more potential than you think. See you in the next one. In Part 1, we optimized drive select and gearbox behavior. In Part 2, we improved airflow and throttle response. Now we expose something most Audi owners never consider. Your Audi might be electronically limiting its own power, not because something is broken, but because conditions are not optimal. 1. Torque management strategy. Modern Audi engines, especially TFSI S and RS models, use advanced torque management systems. The ECU constantly evaluates intake air temperature, engine temperature, gearbox temperature, and knock activity. It also monitors electrical system stability, battery voltage, and traction data. If one parameter is outside ideal range, the ECU reduces boost target, ignition timing, and torque request. The driver never sees a warning. The car simply feels less aggressive. Most owners blame an aging engine, but often it's protective logic. 2. Low battery voltage equals reduced performance. Here's something extremely underrated. Audi vehicles rely heavily on stable electrical voltage. If your battery is weak or aging, you may experience slower throttle response, delayed gear shifts, and inconsistent torque delivery. You might even notice reduced DSG smoothness. Why? Because control modules prioritize stability when voltage drops. The transmission control unit and engine ECU reduce aggressive behavior to protect systems, especially in S-tronic models. A battery at 11.8 to 12.2 volts resting is already weak. Healthy resting voltage is 12.5 to 12.8 volts. Under load, stability matters even more. A strong battery equals stable control module behavior and stable power delivery. 3. Gearbox adaptation and torque request. DSG systems adapt over time to driving style and traffic patterns. If you drive gently, the gearbox softens its torque mapping. The car becomes smoother but also less aggressive. A proper adaptation reset combined with manual gear engagement sessions can reteach the gearbox to respond more sharply. It's not tuning, it's recalibration, and the difference can feel dramatic. What you should never touch. Do not disable knock protection, thermal protection, or torque safety limiters. These systems protect your engine from real damage. Optimization is smart, deleting safeguards is not. Will these steps give you plus 130 horsepower? No. But they can restore lost throttle sharpness and faster turbo spool. Most Audi owners don't have slow cars. They have electronically softened cars. Restoring precision is smarter than random mods. If you want factory performance restored, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. In the next episodes, we dive into battery selection and oil strategies. We'll also cover tire setup and hidden MMI settings. If you drive Audi, this channel is built for you. Your Audi has more potential than you think. See you in the next one.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.